Okay, so good morning, guys, and online students. I'm audible. Online students. So, yesterday we started. So how to client server architecture, how it was working. So that we discussed in the last session, right? And in this, the client tools. So these are our client tools, which we can use to communicating purpose. Okay. And the server, what it will do under server component and what kind of subcomponents are there, and each subcomponents, how it will be used and work. Okay. And after that, we discuss about what is instance and what is database. Okay. And later, the most important point here, the note point, observe. So here, once we want to work on Oracle database. Okay, so what kind of the procedures we have here to communicating or to working on your Oracle. Okay, so let me see, guys, here. So when we want to work on, work on Oracle database. Okay, so there are two types of, okay, the steps. There are two steps. Okay, we need to find out here. There are two steps procedure. Okay, we need to follow. We need to follow. Okay, so what kind of what we can say, the two types of, okay, the mechanisms we have it here whenever you want to work on Oracle database. So what are the two steps are there here? Let me see. The first one is called as, guys, here. Okay, the first one is called as here connectivity, and second one is called as here communication. So these are the two steps, guys, here. Okay, so how to connect to my Oracle, and later how to communicate with my database. So these are the two steps mechanism and procedure we need to follow when we want to work on Oracle database. Okay, let me see what is connectivity and what is communication. Okay, let me go. So first of all, we will go for the connector process. In this process, what we want to do. So now we can see. So when we want to connecting to Oracle, so I said, we can't directly connect. So we need some tools are required. We need some client tools are required. So those client tools are what we are using here. So many are there, like SQL Plus, Toda, SQL Developer, PL SQL Developer. So these kind of client tools we are going to be using. And now you can come out and see, okay, so here also what we want to say here. So when we want to, when we want to connect to Oracle database server, okay, so we need a tool. We need a tool is called as, and here I'm using which tool I'm using, I said SQL Plus. Is called as SQL Plus. Okay, this is connectivity purpose. And the next one is called as, what is the second one here? Communication. So when I need to communicate here, so connectivity is okay. I can use SQL Plus and connect it. But later I want to do what now? Communication now. So whenever you want to communicate with your database, okay, so to perform some operations purpose, okay, we have to do this. There we need to require one language. For example, now I'm communicating with you. So how I am communicating here, what I am using here, For any two people, they want to communicate to each other what they required. Language is required. Yes or no? So communication, language is required. So here I'm using some language, English, so to communicate with you. And also different types of languages based on the people they're going to be using when they want to communicate to each other. So here also, when we are the users and we want to communicate with our database. But database doesn't understand English language, Hindi language, Telugu, Tamil, as or no. These kind of languages are databases cannot understand. So now here what I required here, the which language is understand by your database. Okay, so that language we need to use here. But which languages generally databases are going to be understand means that is SQL. Okay, what is that? SQL, structure query language. So that language only databases can understand. Other than that language, if you use any other language like a Java language, C language, C++ language, .NET, okay, C#.NET language, Python, these are not understand. Okay, now, so databases are having their own languages. Okay, that is called as what now? SQL. So that SQL database can understand, but who doesn't know? For example, I want to talk to you guys. Suppose you don't know Telugu. I want to talk to one North Indian person. So the person doesn't know Telugu. Okay, but I know Telugu. Okay, he doesn't know Telugu. Then he knows Hindi, but I don't know Hindi. When I want to communicate to these two people, is it possible? Miscommunications are coming out. If I say in Telugu, they can't understand. If they say in Hindi, I can't understand. So here one common language is required which can use or which can understand both people. Yes or no? So here also, what is my common language to interacting, to communicating with the database means SQL. Okay, so that SQL is required for communication purpose. And remember one point, entire the world, if any RDBMS databases, RDBMS means relational database management systems like Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, DB2, Sybase, Informix, Ingresys, Teradata, MaxDB, PostgreSQL SQLs. Okay, any RDBMS in the world, when you want to communicate to that, okay, and that was only one and only one language that was called as SQL. Other than this language, there is no other language to us. Okay, but in this SQL only different patrons. Oracle SQL is a one patron. SQL Server SQL is a one patron. MySQL SQL is a one patron. Okay, that I said. So based on your tool, your specifications, syntactical specifications are changed. Some minor, not major, minor differences are there. Okay, now, but now, so here the point I'm going to discuss here. So what you want to say? So when we want to communicate, okay, communicate with database, we need a language. We need here a language. Okay, is called as what is this here? SQL, structured query language. Okay. Now we can say one small real life example. What is the mean by connectivity? What is the mean by communication? For example, guys, just think about it. Suppose you and your friend is there. Okay, so both are in IT sector, both are working in IT sector, but your friend is working in Mumbai and you are working in Hyderabad. Okay, so now you want to talk to your friend. Nowadays, how can you talk? By using of mobiles. So we are using mobiles to talk to our friends. Okay, okay, fine. And now my friend was there in Mumbai. So I'm working in Hyderabad. Suppose I want to talk to my friend. So I'm using mobiles. And first of all, what I required, my friend number is required. Yes, I have a number. So I dial. When I'm going to dial to my friend, okay, my friend number. So the call is going to my friend. And now, suppose in the first attempt, my friend was not lift the call, right? He was not lift the call. So when he was not lift the call, then tell me, your call is connected or not connected? Not connected. Because when my friend lift the call, then only my call is connected. But my friend is not lift the call. So call is connected here? No. So not connected. If it is not connected, communication is possible. No, not possible. So I can't communicate with them. Yes or no? Okay, fine. And the second time, again, I'm calling to my friend. So again, I dial number and call is going to my friend mobile. At second time, my friend lift the call. When my friend lift the call, can you see in your mobile number, or sorry, in your mobile, one name was come out that is called as a connected. Anybody identify? Huh? Identify now? Yes. So when other person to whom you calling, okay, if that person was lift the call, then in your mobile screen, what it was? Connected. The spelling, that means a past tense. Yes or no? Connected. That means action was complete. So connected. After connected, what we are going to do? Communication. How are you? How are you? What are you doing? What are you doing? So how is your job? Yes or no? This kind of communications was going to between two people. Yes or no? So here 2 points required. One is connectivity. That means calling purpose. The calling and connectivity purpose, what I'm using? Mobile device. Okay. So your mobile is called as what now? Tool. Understand now? And that tool is called as a SQL plus. The point is clear now. So how we are say the mobile we are using to calling purpose. Okay, same as a SQL plus is like a mobile. Okay, and next your call is connected to your friend. What is the next option? Communication. Communication purpose, what we require, I said, language. Suppose your friend knows Hindi language, English, Telugu, Tamil. So whatever the languages they knows that, okay, that particular language they use, they started to communicate. So that language is called as what now? SQL. So how we can say this? To communicate and work and talk with your friend through mobile and some language. Here also, I am the user. I want to talk to my Oracle server. Then first I have to connect. After connecting, later communication. So that means here, every Oracle developer, Oracle programmer, they should know the good idea on one tool and good idea on one language. But this language knows that your database. Database knows SQL language. But who doesn't know? Users. We don't know. We don't know what is SQL. How we want to send my request in SQL format. Because whatever the request user is sending to Oracle, the request must be in SQL format only. Because your databases cannot understand other than SQL. That's why whatever you want to send the request to my server, every request should be in the form of SQL query format. But that SQL knowledge we doesn't know. But database knows SQL language, but user doesn't know SQL language. Then tell me, who want to learn? Databases learn or users are learn? Users are learn. So that means we want to learn. Yes or no? So we want to learn SQL language. To what purpose? Communicating with the databases purpose. Communicating with the databases purpose. We need a knowledge. So that's why you all people are came to here. Understand na? You all people are came to here and learning what? SQL language. Okay, right. So the same thing, can you let me come out? And I'm showing with the what diagrammatical. Now, so the same point, if you want to show in diagrammatical manner, let me come out and see. Because sometimes what it was happen, instead of the theory, okay, sometimes instead of theory, we want to understand more effectively by seeing of diagrams. Yes or no? Now we can see this diagram. So carefully observe, all of you. Okay, so what is the diagram here? User is there. This is my Oracle database. So now user want to work on this Oracle database. He need to follow two steps here. The step one, connecting to Oracle. Step number two, communication. But first connectivity will success, then only communication will be possible. Without connecting, you can't communicating. So connectivity purpose, what I'm using here, SQL plus tool I'm using. But you can use even though Thoda, what SQL developer, PL SQL developer also you can use. And come out to communication, only one language. Other than this, you can't use any other languages. Okay, now, so this is a diagrammatical representation when you want to see what is connectivity and what is communication. Okay. Now, let me come out. And here observe, don't worry, this all complete notes I will share to you. Okay, not necessary, just a concept understand. Okay, right. So come out here. Then finally, one question will come out here. What is the differences between, okay, SQL plus versus SQL? So somebody is asking, okay, sir, what is the differences between SQL plus and SQL? And so many students, they have some little bit confusion in this area. Okay, so many students are thinking that SQL plus SQL both are same. But what do you understand? Both are same or different? Different. Yes or no? Mobile is a device, language is different. Yes or no? I can't say mobile and language both are same. So here also SQL plus is a tool, SQL is a language. Now let me see few points about these two things. Write down. So SQL plus and SQL. So the first point here, SQL plus. Okay, what I say? It is a tool. Okay, it is a tool. And here it is a language. It is a language. Next, second point, is used. Is used. To what purpose, guys, here? To what purpose? To, come on, to connectivity purpose. To connect to Oracle database server. And the second point here, is used for what purpose? Is used to communicating purpose. Communicate with whom? Database. And the next point, SQL plus, even though it will work as a editor. Okay, so what I say, it will, okay, work or act as a editor. Editors are, why we want to use, guys, here? Act as a editor. Editors generally we are using purpose. Suppose if I want to write some C programs, where you want to write C programs? What is the editor of C? Turbo C. If I want to write a C++ programs, where we want to write C++ programs? Turbo C++. Yes or no? Like if you want to write a Java, you know, Edit Plus, Eclipse, My Eclipse. .NET people, Visual Studio .NET, they are using. Python people. What is that? Python students is not there. Python editor, okay, Python editor, whatever it is. So it means every language and the language related code we need to write. It means that we need some editors. Yes or no? We need some editors. Same as how you think about in your front-end languages, in the back-end side also, SQL is a language. So this language queries, this language code if I want to write here also I required editors. But what is my editor? It means that your SQL Plus only your editor. So SQL Plus is not only for connectivity purpose, even though I can use as a editor for writing of my SQL language queries. Okay, now, right. So that's why it will act as a editor. It will act as okay, as an editor. And what do you say? As an editor for writing, for writing, for writing and executing SQL queries, and also PL SQL and also PL SQL programs, and also PL SQL programs. Okay, so this SQL Plus tool not only for SQL queries, even though I can write PL SQL programs and executing also. So writing and also executing, the both kind of things I can do in my SQL Plus. So where I'm writing, there only I am executing. Okay, and here this editor I can use not only for SQL language, and our Oracle supported one more language that is called what? PL SQL. So that is what PL SQL we can say. Okay, now the both languages code and queries we can write in the same editor. And some people thinking that, sir, PL SQL programs purpose we want to separate install any other software. Okay, so that kind of doubt also there. There is no need. Only SQL Plus is enough to write your PL SQL also. Okay, now the both languages I can use it. And now come to here in this point. What do you say, guys? Here this SQL language is having, okay, so is having some sub languages here, some sub languages are. So what kind of sub languages are there here means, I think you listen: DDL, DML, DQL. Okay, next one is what now? TCL. And next one is DCL. So these are some sub languages, or we have it here, having some sub languages, not languages. These are what we call a sub languages, and those are DDL, data definition language, data manipulation, data query language, TCL, transaction control language, and DCL, data control language. And these languages are used for, okay, are used for what purpose here means, used for to perform some operations, to perform some operations over databases, operations over database. Okay, so these are some points about your 1 second, guys. Okay, no, right. So now take it here. So in the second, communication I said is used for communication purpose with what now? Database. And this is a third point here. So SQL and before this third point, SQL Plus, it will act as an editor for writing and executing SQL queries and also PL SQL programs. Okay, and the third point here, you have to take this one. So SQL is having some sub languages here, and those are DDL, DML, DQL, TCL, DCL, and these languages are used for to perform some operations over database. Okay, right. The next point is the fourth one. So SQL Plus. Okay, who was introduced at this SQL Plus was means this tool was introduced here. This tool was introduced by okay Oracle Corporation people. Oracle Corporation. And come as here SQL language. This language was introduced by okay. So it was introduced by any expectation? Any expecting here? SQL language introduced by who? Which company? Any expectation? Huh? Tell me. Microsoft, Oracle, IBM, Google, what it is? Oracle, Oracle, Oracle Corporation people. So it was introduced by who is this? IBM. Okay. So SQL language introduced by IBM. SQL Plus software introduced by Oracle Corporation. Okay. So these are the some points, guys, about your SQL Plus and SQL. The differences you need to know it. And now let me come. First step. What is our first step here? Connectivity. Now we will see it here. Now below write down. What is that? How to connect to what? Oracle. So running notes, you have to take running notes, whatever writing. Okay. So, but main notes, I will share to you. Okay. Our first step is, I said, connectivity step. So how to connecting? Now the question is come out. Okay, sir, first connectivity and communication, that's fine. But first, how we want to connect to Oracle? Connectivity purpose, what we want to do. Okay, right. Here observe, guys. Before you want to connect to Oracle database server, first of all, we should know that your Oracle software is available in how many editions in the market. Understand? Na? So how many editions? That means Oracle software is having how many types of editions and which was there in the market. That is most important point. Okay, now. So here Oracle is having how many editions? 2 editions. One is we called as a Express edition, is a one edition and one software, and one more is called as what now? Enterprise edition. Okay, so that means our Oracle software is available, or else it was going to be what we can say there in the market in 2 ways. One is what we call Express edition and Enterprise edition. So now we can write. There are 2 types of editions. There are 2 types of editions. Okay, in Oracle software. Okay, so first edition is called as Oracle Express edition. Okay, and the second one is called as here Oracle Enterprise edition. Enterprise edition. Okay, so this is also, you should know it, what is what. Now let me see. Sir, Oracle Express edition, Enterprise edition, what is the differences in these 2 editions now? And which edition mostly in real-time industries or real-time applications, okay, through which edition the people will be developed? Okay, so here both can be used, but compared to Express edition, the more features is available under Enterprise editions. Okay, so that's why in real time also maximum industries, they will be prefer to use Enterprise edition because of reason Express edition is going to be supporting partially supported. That means some features I cannot implement under Express edition. For example, which kind of features? For example, recycle bin is there. So recycle bin future is not there under Express edition, but the recycle bin future I can implement under enterprise. Next, flashback queries or flashback command. So flashback command, it doesn't support under Express edition, but it will be supported under enterprise edition. Like a purg commands. The purg command is not supported under Express edition, but it was supported under enterprise edition. Like this, partition of tables. The partition of tables you can't go for in Express edition, but partition of tables it's supported in our enterprise edition. So like this, some features are there which we can't implement under Express edition, which we can implement under enterprise. That's why in real time, the people how they can define this means Oracle Express edition. Okay, simply we can say supporting. Okay, so partial futures. Partial futures. Okay, and that means, for example, what I said, recycle bin. Okay, next what I said, flashback. Next what I said, purg. Next what I said, partition tables are not, okay, here I will take partition table, etc. are not allowed or support. Okay, so that is Oracle Express edition. When come to Oracle Enterprise edition, so this edition will supporting here. Okay, so it support or supporting, okay, full, okay, or supporting complete futures. So supporting complete futures. Okay, now, so which is not allowed, that was allowed in my enterprise edition. So which is not allowed, that was allowed here. Okay, right. So guys, see you. Okay, so that means if suppose you have Express edition already you installed in your laptops, okay, if it is there, so don't worry, you just keep it as it is, but you should install what now? Enterprise edition. Okay, and some people are asking doubt, sir, can I insert or sir, can I install the two types of versions in one system? Okay, for example, can I install my Oracle 11G software and Oracle 19C software, the both different versions, can I install in one particular system? This kind of some doubts are there. Yes, we can. You can insert any version in your system or laptop. So if already you have a 11G, you just keep it that and install a 19C. That means now how many versions? Two versions you have in your computer, nothing problem. Okay, now, so some people thinking that if I want to install 19C, existing, okay, installation I want to remove. Some people thinking like that, but don't remove it. You can keep it as is and install your latest version also. Okay, so that you have to do it. That's why I'm telling that Express edition, suppose you are installed already. Okay, you have already there, then keep it that. Don't uninstall. Okay, keep it that and you install what now? Enterprise edition. Nothing problem to your system. Okay, suppose you are not installed any software, then install what? Enterprise. Because in our classes also I'm showing on enterprise only, not Express edition, because first I'm telling that Express edition not supporting all futures. If that future, if I was implemented in enterprise edition and you are practicing that future in express edition, it is a not allowed. And later you people are confused and you are coming to me, sir, that future is not working in my Oracle software, sir. So they're telling like this. The reason is what now, why it was not working means you just check out which edition are you using. Okay, now, so that's why maximum avoid this express edition and use what now, enterprise. This is a full-fledged version. All features I can implement under this edition. Okay, right. So now finally, the what is the conclusion here? The software will be, Oracle software is available in how many types here? Two types of editions, and express, enterprise. Now let me see. Based on this softwares, now I want to install now. Okay, first we need to download. What we want to download? Enterprise edition I want to download, and after that I want to install. Okay, let me see. The question will come to like this: how to download? How to download Oracle? So here specifically I was mentioned Oracle Enterprise or Oracle 19C. Okay, Oracle 19C Enterprise edition. Okay, Enterprise edition software. How to download Oracle 19C Enterprise edition software. Okay, now so now let me come out guys here. Okay, now this see. So it's a direct link guys here. Okay, I was taken. So Oracle 19C software link here, and you don't want to do just direct this link will be copy. Okay, direct this link will be copy here. So Oracle 19C software. Okay, and now this is downloading link. Okay, so I'm just taking this one and later come back here. So this link should be copy paste. Okay, so once you copy paste, you will get the direct website. Okay, and my website is what now guys here? Oracle Corporation People website here. So that is www.oracle.com. Okay, now so I'm downloading my software from which website? Oracle.com. So okay, so this is what and can you see here Oracle 19C? Okay, the software link and for Microsoft Windows 64-bit. And here one more thing you want to understand guys here. Every software is having in the two ways. One is a 64-bit, next one 32-bit. So, but nowadays 32-bit almost outdated, because 32-bit means initially starting we have a desktops are there. Can you remember? desktops. At the time, there is no laptops, no LED. Okay, they have what? Desktops are there. So initially, almost every computer is having 32-bit of computers and very rare 64-bit. But present now, every laptop by inbuilt, which was come with the 64-bit only. Okay, so that's why now maximum computers or maximum laptops, whatever it was there in the market, everything will be converting into 64. I hope that you people also having 64. And now this software is only supporting under 64-bit Windows. 64-bit it will support it. 32-bit is not supporting here. Understand na? So your operating system bit how much? 64-bit. And which operating system? Windows operating system only. You can't go for Mac. You can't go for Solaris. You can't go for Linux. So you wanted that, then the related links are there. You can download from the related link. But here, a maximum in our laptops, we are using what now? Windows. Okay. So Windows I'm using, it's a Microsoft product, the Windows operating system. And Windows operating system, which bit? 64-bit. And Windows operating system 32-bit will not be support. Okay. So here, come back and download this link. Okay, now? So it's a direct link was there. You just click on that. So when I click on here, it was asking some Oracle license agreement is asking to you, but don't fear. Okay, don't give any license here. Okay, so just accept this checkbox. Your checkbox is there now? Yes or no? This checkbox should be activated here. And after activated this one, come back here. What is this? Downloading link was there. This button will be activated here and let you come out. Click on this button. And now whatever we clicked on this, your software will be, okay, downloading in which format? GIF format. So that means after successfully download your software, which was in GIF format, and that was you need to extract. Are you extracting now? So extract this folder. After extractor, then it was comes under a normal folder, and that folder open, and in that we have a setup icon. What is that? Setup icon is there, and click on that setup icon and your installation process will be started. Okay, now, right? So now I just come back here to click on this. To click on this. When I click on here, so what it was happen, you can see. It was asking your Oracle account to sign in. But of course, we don't have any account, right? So now what you want to do? You need to create your dummy account is create. Okay. Create account button open, and one registration form will be open it here. So creating your Oracle account for this website. Okay. And this is free of cost. Don't fear that it was going to be taking any money. So there is nothing. Now email address, your email address you can give. Suppose you already existing email address, whatever it was there, you can give like xyz@gmail.com or Yahoo, whatever it is, and send your password. So send your password. Okay. Password, send it. Confirm your password. Okay. And after that, country as your wish. You want to select any country, Guyana, whatever, you can select it. So it's not necessary I should give accurate details. It's not necessary. Can give any country name, Uganda, South Africa, you can give it, no problem. Zimbabwe, so all you can give it, nothing problem here. First name, my first name is, okay, some ABC, okay, and my last name is K something. Okay. So what I'm saying here, you just enter your dummy details. That's it. Okay, na? Don't enter your all permanent address. Don't enter like this. Okay. Job title, software engineer. Work phone number. Can give it any phone number, nothing problem. You can give fax number also. Nothing problem. So now company name. So which company you can give? Naresh IT. Otherwise, if you have your own company name also give it, no problem. And now address. Address means don't fill all the columns. Simply HYD or Mumbai, or Spanish, Chicago, Dallas, anything you can give it. City is also same. Zip. Sir, zip code I don't know, sir. You don't know. Then you can enter any number. Okay, na? So don't go for exactly zip code. What is the zip code for Andhra Pradesh? Google search, not necessary. So directly you can enter, and after enter, what do you do? Create an account. So account is created. After created account, whatever the username and password is given, so that username password you have to use in this area. So enter your username, enter your password, click on sign in, then immediately your download process will be started. And downloading purpose, maybe it will take as per your internet, the speed, it will be take some time. Okay, if you have a good speed, okay, then within 15 to 20 minutes it is downloaded. Otherwise, sometimes it will go half an hour, and your internet is very, very, very slow, like a goods train, then it will take 1 hour time. So it's depending on your internet speed, and better to Wi-Fi. If you do have a Wi-Fi in your hostel, is the better to, if within less period of time, it will be downloaded. Okay, now then carefully, after downloading, so many people are doing some mistakes. Up to here, you people are successfully do it, but later on, so many people, they have it, their own intelligences are there, their own ideas. Why should I want to do like this? Why not like this? This kind of what we can say, more intelligent ideas. So that ideas are implemented by students. That's why what happened, installation is not done. And again coming to classes and asking sir, my installation nahi ho raha hai sir, kya hua sir, kaise karna hai sir? Yes or no? They are asking. That's why proper steps are there that should be followed as it is. You will be get it. Yes or no? If I want to write a program in a Java, can I write in any manner, or else we need to follow some structure? Structure na? Every programming language is having structure now. Yes. C structure, C++ structure, Java structure, .NET structure. Every programming language having some structure. Based on the structure, you should follow it. Without a class declaration, can you create an object directly? No. So that is what it was saying that. Okay. Some proper methods are there that should be followed. Now come on. Here very important. Observe all of you. After downloading, so download where it is in C drive. C drive में downloads नहीं आता यार. उसका separate folder है देख. What is that? Downloading folder. Okay. So, and some students are maybe I don't want to say, but maybe there is non-background students, I think so. So once they downloaded, they feel like this installation is over. So many students are coming like this, sir, I downloaded, sir, but you got it SQL plus icon, I didn't get it, sir. So your download is different, installation different, guys. Okay, now so many students downloading, and the downloading they're thinking that installation. Maybe they don't have a background of computer science or computer knowledge. So that's why I'm telling that. Okay, so download is different, installation different, guys. Okay, now downloading after installation, we have to do it manually. Don't think that once download, automatically install. Like it was happening in your mobiles. Yes or no? Google Play Store or something. When an app is downloaded, automatic installation. So maybe that thought was there in your mind. But that is different. This is different, guys. Okay, na? Right. So now here, go to download folder, and your download softwares are having here. Okay. So now, so I didn't download na. Okay. So you will get it a download, and in download, how you will get it means your folder in which format? Zip format. Can you see the zip? The clear icon also there, zip format. So this under your software is having in the zip format. Don't install. first thing, I'm very requesting to you, don't install here. Your install here means getting problems. So this zip folder, we need to do first unzip. Unzip means extract. Okay. But before you have to do that, what you have to do, so now this zip folder software, you select here. Okay. So don't copy paste. If you do copy paste means what happened? Two files are created. Yes or no? One existing file, one copy file. So that means how many softwares you have here? Two softwares. At this moment you are installing, then your server will go to confuse. Okay now? So this is not accepting here. So that's why don't copy paste. You just select this one. You just select your zip folder, and what I'm doing? Cut and paste into your drive. Okay. So what is your drives are there in your computer? Okay. And which drive you have a more space? Okay. In that drive, you just go to copy, and what you want to do? Paste. Okay now. So now I pasted here. So now tell me, now how many folders? One or two? One only, and original only. If you do copy paste means duplicate is created. That's why don't copy paste, cut and paste in your drive, in which drive you have a more memory space. Okay now? Right. After that, this, okay, zip, I just want to extract here. Then how to extract now? Then you have to simple select this folder, click right mouse button, and here what is this? Extract all option is there. So this option I will click on that. So when you click on, it was saying that yes, you have to extract, but here extract all, but your system, it was showing extract files. The name is what? Extract files. So extract here, extract file, two options are there, but maximum choose extract files. Okay now? So now you can go to click on extract, and extract will be happening like this. Okay. Now let me see. Now in the zip format, okay, can you see here? This is my zip format folder. After extracted, it was come to normal folder. Can you see? Yes or no? Then what next to my step here? Go to that normal folder and open. Okay. So now go to that normal folder and open. Then your setup icon will be there, and click on that setup. Installation will start. This is the first scenario. Are you clear now? Any doubt? No doubts now? So what we did first? First we need to download. Downloading purpose, we need to register some dummy account creator, and later use that username password to downloading purpose. When you're downloading software is having in the format of zip format, and the zip format folder is available in your downloads option. And go to your computer, download folder, open that. There it was having zip, and that was what we want to do. Cut and paste into your drives. In which drive you have a more space? So in the drive you need to copy paste. Sorry, what is that? Cut and paste. And after cut and paste, what do you want to do? Extract files. After extracted, you will get a normal folder, and go to normal folder. There it was having setup icon. Okay, right. So this is what we want to do. Okay. And after downloading, the most important thing you are related to hardware requirements is what now? Windows 10 supported. Windows 10 operating system will be support, but Windows 7, Windows 8.1 is not supporting, remember. Okay. So your hardware requirement, minimum operating system is what now? Windows 10, Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 12, like this it was support. Okay. But Windows 7 is there. Some people still they are using Windows 7 in their laptops, but kindly I'm requesting, so to remove that OS, because that OS will not supporting here. Okay. 19C not supported. So that's why remove that OS and install your Windows 10 or 11, anything. So that is minimum requirement. And how much hard disk, sir? Minimum hard disk 500 GB. It's a minimum, very lowest, okay, what we can say, range. So 500 GB minimum, 500 GB and plus 1 terabyte, 2 terabytes, whatever it is. RAM, minimum 1 GB RAM. Okay, na? So suppose you have here 2 GB, 3 GB, it's very excellent. Okay, na? So these are the minimum requirements I'm telling. What is the minimum requires to install Oracle software? Oracle 19C software. What is the minimum requirements? Windows 10 operating system or 11, anything is support. And next, minimum hard disk 500 GB, keep it, and minimum RAM 1 GB. That's enough. These are the hardware requirements. Okay, and after these are having in this, and along with this, one more I said, what is that? 64-bit. 64-bit. These are the 4 things. Remember in your mind while installation time. Okay, right. After that, then how to start my installation here? Okay, now how to start my installation? So installation purpose, guys, here I was prepared some video file. Okay, and that video just observe, watch it, and this video I will send it to you guys. Okay. Okay, let me see. So again, here in this video also, I'm showing how to extract your file and everything. And here you can check it out here. Okay, now see, can you identify? This is my GIF folder. It was having like this, and this GIF folder, what I'm doing, extract file will be doing here. Okay, fine. So now I'm doing extract files. Just watch it, that's it. And okay, click on OK, and your file is extracted here. It will take some little bit time to extract your files. And after that, so after that, you will get it here, a normal folder. Can you see the normal folder? Yes or no? Okay, right. The normal folder, you just open it now. After open, there are so many files are there, but one of my file and important to me, that is what now here. Can you see red mark? What is the red mark? Here, red mark, here, red mark. What is this? Setup. Setup icon is there now. So this icon will be available here, and you just come out and click on that icon. Just come out and click on that icon, and the black window command prompt will be open, but don't touch anything here. Along with this, your Oracle 19C will be open. This wizard, okay, the software wizard will be open, and it will be a little bit time it will take to open it. Now, so Oracle 19C, the first screen, it was open that, and here we have some options. From here onwards, your installation will be started. Okay, one by one, step by step, observe. Is it clear for you? Okay, right. Let me come out here. The first step. Okay, I got it first. Okay, right. So this is my first step. So what is my first step here? The two options are there, the radio buttons. One is we called as create and configure a single instance database, and second one is set up software only. So in these two radio buttons, which one you want to select here? First one you want to select now. Okay, so I selected first one, and here come back what it was, next button, and come to click on next button. Next button. After click on next button, then you will get the next page. In this next page, again, you have two radio buttons. One is a desktop class as well as server class. And in this two, should select the first one, desktop class. And later, after selected, what you want to do? Again, next button. Okay, fine. Okay, and here most important point. Here, there are so many options are there, like here, the use virtual account, use existing Windows user, and create a new Windows user, and use a Windows built-in account. Okay, in these four options, you need to select what now? Use Windows built-in account. Okay, now, so this radio button should be selected. This radio button should be selected, and after selected, what it was happen, you can see. Now I'm going to select now. Okay, right. After selected, I selected now. What you want to do? Next button. So I click on next. And after click on next, here some alerts are coming to you, but don't tension here. So simply we can say, so here what it was saying here, INS 35810, you have selected to use built-in account for installation and configuration of Oracle Home. So, and what it was asking, are you sure you want to continue? Then you have to choose what? Yes button. So choose S button here. So let me come and say, yes, I want to continue. Yes, I want to continue. Okay, and here the important things observed. So now here observed, there are some Oracle base software location, database file location, database edition, and character sets, global database name, password, and create as container database. So these are the options, guys, here. The first of all, think. So where is your software? That is called a software location. So that means we cut and paste. Yes or no? So where you paste E driver, F driver, okay, C driver, whatever it is, you just path location that is. And this is where my software is available in my computer. That is path. And here what it was say, Oracle base. So here what it was now, where you want to install. Where you want to install. Here by default my path F, here also F is showing. So now what we want to do, generally software installations are happening under C drive. We are separate drive is created for installations of software. So here what I want to do, I need to change my path. Okay, so C:/. If you give it Ora data, if you give, so in that it will be installing. So carefully observe. So now I'm going to changing my path. So already F is there. In F place, C:/. Okay, app/Ora. Okay, or app/ is enough. Okay, now now let me come out and see what I did here. So my software is having in the F drive, but the software I'm installing under C drive, and this app is our created folder. Okay, now C:/app/. That's it. So these are the two things you have to remember. And next one is a database file location. Yes, now your whatever the location will be taken out, that automatically change here your file location where you install your Oracle file. So C:/app/. So what is that? Ora data. In that folder, your installation set of files or DDL files, executable file related supporting files are saved. Okay, so in this. And next, what is that? Database edition. Which edition I said? Which edition? Enterprise edition we said now. Enterprise edition. And this is unique code. Unique code is nothing but universal supported characters. Okay, it means that this database, under this database, I can store any language. Okay, English, Hindi, Chinese, French, France, Dutch, Arabic languages. So any kind of language data can store it. That is called as a uni. Uni means what now? Universal. Code. Code is nothing but characters. So that meaning what it is in coming class I will explain to you. So Unicode is a okay UTF-8 format. And now next one most important thing is what now? Global database name. And global database name don't take any name. Okay, yes, should be take a ORCL. That's it. As it is follow. Don't change your names. Okay now. So my global database name is what now? ORCL. And this global database name, even though we called as a SID. Okay, the system identification also we called. And this SID, when it was required for the Java student, especially when you want to communicating your Java application integrated with the Oracle database. Understand now? The concept of JDBC, Advanced Java, JDBC, Hibernate. In that concepts level, you should require what is your SID. If you know SID, then only your Oracle application can be integrated. Yes or no? That is called a connectivity. Front end, back end connections. Okay, na? So at the time, SID is very important to remember, especially Java people. So what is my name here? ORCL. And later, next one, what it was asking? Password. But can you see guys here in this area, do you have any username? Username is not there, but asking what? Password. Why, sir? Where is my username, sir? Means your username is called a system. Default username is what? System. So system is a predefined user which was given by Oracle Corporation people. And with the help of that user and for that user, we are creating what? Password. And that means this password is belongs to which user? System user. System I don't want to create, already inbuilt in my software. When you install the software successfully, you will get a system user permissions. And that system is my username and my password, whatever I was given here. That's why in here, whatever the password is given, this password compulsory remember. So that's why what is my thing here? So many people passwords are they're keeping very high level passwords are keeping. I don't know, yeah. Are you storing any personal letters? No, no. Any love letters are you storing in database? No, no. Any confidential data are you storing here? Your girlfriend's data, boyfriend's data are you storing? No, no. Then why are you giving password Sudhakar 123 #29 ... What is this? This much password is not necessary here. And the problem is what now? You are giving excellent. Capital letter, small letter, excellent. The password is forgotten. At the giving level, very happy. Oh, my password. Up letter, low letter, number, character, alphanumeric. All are giving us. After 3-4 days. Sir, password bhul gaya, sir. I forgot it, my password, sir. What I can do, sir, now? So again, we need to recreate password. Yes or no? So that's why don't go for that much high level security. This is not your bank balance here. Yes or no? So simply ABC 1 2 3 4. Otherwise your name rakho yaar. Your name, not I know name rakho matlab कौन है, my girlfriend का नाम क्या है? Because not one ना 3-4 girlfriends. That's why किसका नाम रखना है मेरे को? So don't go like. So simple name. What is your name? Your name you also simply keep it. But don't add @ symbol, your date of birth, your mobile number, last 4 digits. Yes or no? Don't add like this. Okay, na? Simple. Okay, because why I'm saying that means you will be remember long time. Yes or no? For long term you want to remember means simple passwords to keep it. For only what we are doing here, just for practicing our subject. That's it now. Other than that, we can't do. And even though practice also not regularly, weekly once or monthly once. Weekly once or monthly once, yeah? Daily once, wow, great, yeah, superb. Now password you can see. So password here. So here I will take some password. Okay, and that password should be confirm here. After enter these details, okay, and now here already create as a container database selected. This selected option should be deactivate here. Okay, right. So let me see, I'm going to do that all the things. Okay, so I was enter my password simply tiger. So confirmation is also tiger. Okay, and my Oracle global database name is ORCL. I didn't change anything there. Okay, so here my people are very intelligent. They are also showing what kind of password they entered. Tiger. So tiger copy paste. Now they will go move it and deactivate that one. And okay, so now we can see. So I was asked is I keep it my global database name ORCL and password, confirm password tiger. And what I did here, deactivated my checkbox. Okay, right. And after finally you just come back to next, but you're asking one password message. The password, the admin password, admin means what now? System. My admin name is what? System. The admin password entered does not conform to the Oracle recommended standard, but nothing problem. You have to go and click on next. Okay, now it's very important, observe. So after that, okay, it was asking, are you here asking the admin password entered does not conform to Oracle recommended standard. Okay, are you sure you want to continue this? Yes, you can say yes, I want to continue. So later I just go to click on yes and go to click on next button and continue process. So then now your process is going on. Okay, now so little bit time it will take to process. Okay, and finally, this is most important. See the complete information. I will check you. So here global settings. Okay, so Oracle home user. This is you are called as a Windows built-in account. Can you select it now? Did you remember? I was selected built-in account. I selected that name. That means your computer name. What it is, that name will be taken here. And installation method. What is the installation? Desktop installation. And database edition. What is edition? Enterprise edition. Okay, where is your location of edition? C:\app. Where is your software is available? F drive. Okay, and this is Oracle portal number 49157. And after that, next below, come out here, database configuration. Here, very important point you can see. Configuration, I said, it's a general purpose or transactional processing. Can you remember? Can you remember my classes, my starting classes? First demo or second demo, I think so. DBMS introduction classes. How many types of databases? 2 types. What are those? OLTP, OLAP. OLTP stands for online transactional processing. OLAP stands for analytical processing. What I'm using? Transactional processing. Transactional processing example softwares are what? Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, DB2, Sybase, Informix, Ingresys, Teradata, MaxDB, PostGRE, SQLs. These are all comes under which category? OLTP. Now, are you confirmed? Now, Oracle comes under AP or TP? TP. That was the online transaction processing. So that means this database I'm using for what purpose? Day-to-day transactional data storage purpose. AP storing for what purpose? Historical data. Historical data. That is data warehouse. This is database. Okay, na? Right. So that was what? Transaction processing. Okay, just everything practically I will confirm to you in front of you. Okay, so you can check it out. What is our database? Transactional, analytical. So what we are here? Transactional, not analytical. Okay, na? Right. So now global database name, what I given? ORCL. And I said SID, system identification or identifier. So this is what important for your Java application integrated with the Oracle. At the time SID names are asking, then at the time don't forget it. Your global database name is nothing but your SID. Okay, na? ORCL. And this is allocating memory for your software. Okay, and these are some information about this. And finally, these all are over. Then you can come out and say, what is this? Installation. And now let me come out and see, now your installation will be started. Okay, click on installation and installation process will be going on. And here it will take installation minimum 20 to 30 minutes of time it will take. So that's why don't, what we can hurry burry. Okay, so take some patience and install your properly. Okay, now. And one more very important thing, guys, while installation time, your laptop should have what now? Internet facility, first thing. Okay, now your laptop should have a internet, compulsory internet should be there. Either mobile data you are using or else Wi-Fi you are using, nothing matter, but should have a internet facility. Because why, sir? Because why, sir, means when you have internet facilities, sometimes here some what we can say firewalls are needed. Some firewalls are needed for supporting purpose. So at the time, these firewalls, if you have an internet facility, automatically whatever the required firewalls are there, like a DDL files, supporting files are there, that automatically downloading by your server from your internet connectivity. That means your Google or something. So here, if internet connectivity is not there now, then this firewall will not be installed. If it is not installed, means your Oracle's installation not properly is going on. Okay, now. So that's why keep it internet connectivity when your installation up to end of, starting to end of. If any missing files are there while you're downloading, some files may be miss. The .dll files, dynamic link library files are there for every software. Those are called a supporting files we called. So those supporting files, if anything is miss, then your proper installation will not happening. Yes or no? So that's why if you have a net connection, that DLL files, anything is miss, automatically downloading and installation internally it is happening. Okay, so that's why one of the very important things, keep it a internet connectivity. Okay, now you will get this firewall message and you say to allow access here, and whatever selected in this, the first private networks such as my, okay. Okay, what it was here. So Windows Firewall has blocked some features of this app. Understand now? Some features for this app is blocked. So the blocked means restricted. That if you have an internet, the block will be released. Yes or no? And whatever the necessary files are there, that all necessary files will be downloading and installation will be do it automatically. So here manual, I don't want to do it here. And now here, so here two is there here. One is private networks and public networks, but you should choose it what the private networks. Okay, as is this, you have to keep and go at that. So now allow access and go. Okay, now here one by one processing will be do it here. So now it was like is in progress, in pending, yes or no? So this all it will be going to happen, guys, here. So now I will be take, so if it is succeeded, then you have a succeeded. Okay, that message is coming out and that all installations will be okay. I said that minimum 20 to 30 minutes time it will take here to installation properly. Okay, then finally after installation, guys, here, okay, after installation, let me carefully observe here. Finally you will get a message. Yes, so now you will got it message is what now? Oracle Enterprise Manager does database express URL address so and so, and here observe the configuration of Oracle database was successful. Okay, and after successful, as usual, come back and what we want to do, close your application. And after closing, what the next little bit information also I'm showing in this video. So after close this, okay, right. And now you can go to your SQL Plus icon will be created. Then close this all apps. Okay. And now go to your search button. Your search button is there in the right side. And there you can enter what? SQL plus. Okay, this icon will be come to you. This icon will be come to you. So this icon should be click on that. Okay, now right. So after click on here, then you will get this black window, and it was asking, see, can you see username? What is username? System. And your password is what? Tiger. Understand now? System is a default username for my Oracle database. And enter your what? Password. Which password? Whatever the password are you given at the time of installation, that password should be give it here and successfully connected. And one more time it will showing here, observe SQL plus, and now we can see system/tiger. Okay, tiger is my password, and successfully you connected here. So with which what we can say, your database means, are you connected what? Oracle database 19C enterprise edition. Understand now? This is the way after successfully install. Once you can check out you are connecting or not with your system and your password, and your message will be come like this. So this is software installation. Clear now? The first thing is whatever I said, as is follow and do yourself by watching of this video. Okay, and even though if you have any problem will come to you in your computer, bring your laptops here, I will check it. Okay now? So if any problem, I will check it that problem, and if no problem, successfully you done, happily you can do it that, and finally you can work. Okay now? Right. So, and online students, so you guys also, so watch this video and as usual follow it. If any doubts, you can come out and take screenshot and come to classes, I will check to you. Okay, right guys. So this is how to downloading and also installation. So your download is also clearly given. Step 1, download, come to zip folder, unzip or extract, then follow the following video. Okay now? So this all okay, we will share to you guys here, but okay, admin details. Okay, so right guys, tomorrow we will check it that. Okay, so this is what the session, and tomorrow onwards you will start your practicals. This installation after, I will show you the how to formation of your connectivities, user creations, user permissions, yes or no, and later table designing levels. So all it will be come one by one. Okay now? So this up to now these 3 sessions, Monday, Tuesday, and today Wednesday. So these are completely theory related information, because maybe somebody not teaching this all in this much proper way. That's why so many students are having a confusion. So that's why whatever you learn it, learn proper and systematical, in-depthly learn it, and happily go outside and get your job. Hurry-burriedly don't learn your subject. I'm requesting to all of you. Okay, so don't learn any technology, because these are learning for your career purpose. It's not my public examination. One day batting, writing, 35 marks, pass out, certificate is came. Over. Education is over. Now this is your life course. You're learning this professional courses not for your examination, your life purpose. That's why any subject, properly learn each and every point observed, ask to the trainer or faculty what is what, why it was came like this, and clear your doubts on the day, on the topic, on the day, on the session, and do along with practice. If you do like this, then you will be rock in IT industry, and you don't want to depend on anybody. Understand now? So do that, and don't waste your time and money. So some students are hurry-burriedly coming, hurry-burriedly leaving. So then what happened? Your money waste, your time also waste. Again, you are going to mid-knowledge, not full knowledge. Half of the knowledge you are entering into company. What happened? You know now, IT industry, how much easy, that much hard. When it was easy to you, when you have a good subject, okay, then it was very excellent job in your career, well settled, well packaged, well life can be designed. Okay now, but your mid of the knowledge you enter into companies, you didn't understand, you are taking tensions, again you are depending on others, you're requesting to others and asking, and those are also not properly response to you. Okay, then mental pressure is day by day increases, and finally you decided that I want to leave my job. So many people are coming to IT industry for what purpose? Earning money purpose. So this is the one department which will can earn fastest method to earn more money. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. So even though sometimes we are thinking that now we entered after 3 years, your package is 7 to 8 lakhs. But you're thinking my father package after 20 years service, they will get this position. Yes or no? For example, our government fathers are the government employees. The salaries are very low salaries, but other facilities are there. So our father 20 years service salary initially you're getting. Yes or no? At the starting level only you are getting. So that means how much the fastest way method to earn more money, well settled in your life. That's the reason everyone coming to IT industry. Yes or no? And excellent jobs, more vacancies are there, excellent career, but you have only the subject. That's why don't hurry burry, learn it proper, in depth, and clear all doubts on the day, and very precious time and money. So don't waste these two things. Maybe today you are spending 2 months or 2.5 months, but after you leave, happily leave. Yes, I can. That confidence should be take, okay, from your Naresh IT teaching trainers where you learn it. Yes or no? And one more thing, don't believe other words. Whatever you want it, you decide which technology you want to choose. Decide, go demo classes, listen classes for the faculties where it will be easiness and understandable. Presentation is good or not, everything you can check and join. Okay, so nowadays students are what? Now one student is joined into Python, all are joined into Python. Maybe they are interested or not interested, they're yes or no, didn't bother about that. What is they saying that, sir, my friend is choosing Python, sir, that's why I came to Python, sir. Your friend is not lifelong with you guys. Yes or no? Your friend's plan is different. Based on that plan, he was joined into Python. Your plan is what? Your career is what? Where you want to settle, how you want to settle, everything is in your hand only. Okay, now that's why don't believe others. Take advices and gather information from others, but decision makings are in your hand because it's your life. Understand na? So even the nowadays you can see my brother is working in Accenture, Wipro, Google, they're saying that, but these guys is, I'm saying that your brother is working now, then go to reference now, ask your brother reference now, means he was saying that my brother not giving references to me, sir. Because our own brother is also not giving references nowadays because of reason competition. Life, every life is a individual. My life, my brother life, my brother, my sister life is my sister. Yes or no? So that is a generation we are living. Okay, so that's why be careful on your career. Don't bother about others. First, well settle you and help later to others. Understand now? Right, guys? So thank you so much, and tomorrow we will continue our practical sessions. What is what? Okay, right, guys? Thank you. Thank you so much.
Monday, Tuesday class attend అవ్వలేదు.
So online students, okay. So we will interact tomorrow, guys. Here, clear now? And this video file and link I will pass or I will upload to Google Classroom. And after recording videos also, my people will be uploaded for first 1 week videos, okay, in Google Classroom only. Okay, now, right, guys? So thank you so much.